Welcome to IELTS Energy TV. I'm your teacher, Aubrey Carter. Today you will learn vocabulary about diet and healthy eating, so you'll be ready for this common IELTS topic. Congratulations to Firuz Warev, who posted this week in our Facebook group that with the help of 3 Keys IELTS, he got the scores he needed, including a speaking 7.5. We've helped thousands of students to get past IELTS with our study system, so sign up today at allearsenglish.com/keys. Today's question comes from Melika Zarabi, who asked us to create a video about diet and the government's role in promoting healthy living. This is an excellent question, as you could definitely see a task 2 question on this topic. Diet is a tricky word in English because it has 2 meanings. We use it generally to speak about the foods we eat. We could say a healthy diet consists of meat, whole grains, fruit, and vegetables. We also use it to refer to a specific health regime or a change in one's eating habits. It is usually collocated with the preposition on. We would say, I'm on a diet, or I need to go on a diet. If a task 2 topic asks your opinion about the government's role in mandating healthy eating, you can write an argument essay with 1 body paragraph defending the idea that we should be able to make healthy food choices without the government becoming involved. The second body paragraph could present the other side, possibly supporting the idea that education and policies need to be provided by the government in order to regulate the availability of unhealthy foods. Questions about healthy lifestyles often come up on IELTS speaking as well. You could be asked in part 1, do you like to eat fast food? What is your favorite snack or treat? How often do you eat junk food? In part 2, you might be asked to describe a party you attended, and you would certainly want to describe the food. Part 3 might ask you questions like, what are the benefits of a healthy diet? Should the government regulate the purchase of unhealthy foods or drinks? Are eating habits more unhealthy now than they were in the past? What other vocabulary can you use to discuss healthy diet? Nutrition is the science of interpreting what is healthy, and good nutrition can be used as a parallel for healthy foods. Nourishment, sustenance, and alimentation are all Band 9 parallels for the word food, which can help you avoid vocabulary repetition. A great idiom is, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. This is a well-known native phrase that means a proper diet will keep you healthy. This idiom can be used for all speaking parts, as well as task 2, as it's not overly informal. For more great vocabulary and all the strategies you need to use on IELTS for a 7 or higher, sign up today at allearsenglish.com/keys. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our weekly videos. And if you liked this one, hit the like button and share it with a friend.
Bonus tip, get a 7 or higher with the All Ears English app, featuring real-time transcripts and vocabulary practice that will push your score higher. Plus, fun video lessons with Lindsay, Michelle, and Jessica. Download the app today at allearsenglish.com/app.